Imagine stepping inside a busy football factory, where the air hums with the sounds of machines and skilled workers moving swiftly. You can hear the steady clack of stitching machines, the soft thud of panels being pressed, and the faint hiss of air as bladders are inflated. The scent of rubber and leather-like materials fills the room, blending with the faint smell of fresh ink from printed logos. This is where the magic happens, the place where raw materials transform into the footballs that fuel the passion of millions around the world. Each football you see on the pitch isn't just a ball, it's a carefully made masterpiece. These balls are designed to perform perfectly in every pass, shot, and goal. They carry the hopes of players, from neighborhood kids chasing their first goal to professionals in packed stadiums. The making of a football is an art that combines skill, technology, and quality materials, all working together to deliver that perfect bounce and feel. But have you ever stopped to wonder how a simple ball of rubber and synthetic leather becomes this symbol of sport and excitement? How does a flat piece of material turn into a round, durable ball ready for the big game? Today, we're going to take a close look inside the factory and uncover the steps involved in making a football, from the first cut of material to the final quality check. Before we jump in, kindly subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future videos when we release them. Also, like and share this video with your friends. Now, what really goes into making the perfect football? Follow us to discover this amazing manufacturing process. Football, or soccer as many call it, has a long history that goes back centuries. The earliest balls were made from animal bladders, sometimes covered with leather. These old balls were heavy, especially when wet, making the game tougher and slower. Players had to deal with balls that absorbed water and became harder to kick and control. As the sport grew, so did the demand for better equipment. Leather-stitched balls became the norm, but they still had problems, like absorbing water and becoming heavy during rainy games. These balls required a lot of maintenance and didn't always perform consistently. The big change came in the mid-20th century with the introduction of synthetic materials. Factories started using plastics and rubber to create lighter and more durable footballs. This shift helped solve many problems of the old leather balls. Synthetic balls didn't soak up water and kept their shape better. Today, modern footballs are engineered using advanced materials and machines. They're lighter, more aerodynamic, and designed to perform perfectly on every surface. The balls you see in professional matches are the result of years of innovation, making the game faster and more exciting. But how exactly are these high-tech balls made? Let's explore the materials and process behind the scenes. The journey of making a football starts with choosing the right materials. Modern footballs use synthetic leather, usually made from polyurethane, PU, or polyvinyl chloride, PVC. These materials are selected because they offer the perfect balance of durability, flexibility, and feel. Synthetic leather gives the ball a smooth surface, helping players control it better during the game. Once the raw synthetic sheets arrive at the factory, they undergo a strict quality inspection. Workers carefully check each sheet for any defects, like tears, wrinkles, or uneven thickness. Every piece has to meet high standards because the quality of the material affects the ball's performance and lifespan. Only the best sheets are approved for cutting. These sheets will be shaped into the panels that form the outer cover of the football. This selection process is essential because it sets the foundation for a ball that looks good, feels right, and lasts through every match. Now that the materials are chosen and approved, how do these sheets get transformed into the panels of a football? The next step will unfold exactly how it happens. Just keep watching. Once the synthetic leather sheets pass inspection, the next step is cutting them into panels. Traditional footballs use 32 panels, 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons, that fit together perfectly to form a smooth, round shape. Some modern designs have fewer panels or unique shapes, but each panel must be cut with exact size and shape. Cutting these panels is a precise process. Special machines use sharp dies or laser cutters to slice the sheets cleanly and accurately. The edges need to be smooth and consistent to ensure the panels fit together tightly without gaps. Any small mistake could affect how the ball holds air or how it flies through the air when kicked. Each panel is checked after cutting to make sure it matches the design perfectly. This step is crucial because the way these panels fit together impacts the ball's shape and how it performs on the field. After the panels are cut, the next step is adding designs and logos. But before that, how are the panels decorated? Let's see what happens next. After the panels are cut, it's time to add the designs and logos that give each football its unique look. This is done using heat transfer or screen printing techniques. These methods allow vibrant colors and sharp logos to be applied directly onto the synthetic leather panels. Brands and tournaments often customize footballs with special designs to make them stand out. Whether it's the logo of a World Cup or a team emblem, these prints help tell a story and add character to the ball. It's not just about looks, it's about pride and identity for players and fans alike. The printing process must be precise, as any smudges or misalignments can affect the ball's appearance and even its grip. Skilled workers and machines work together to make sure every panel looks perfect before it moves on. Once the panels are printed and dried, they're ready for the next step. How do these flat pieces come together to form a perfectly round, playable football? You need to see how this is done. Once the panels are printed, they're ready to be stitched together. The sewing is done inside out, so the stitches won't show on the finished football. This way, the outside stays smooth, giving players a consistent surface to kick and control. For premium footballs, hand stitching is used. Skilled workers sew each panel tightly and flawlessly. This method takes time but ensures the ball holds its shape perfectly and stays waterproof. For other balls, automated stitching machines speed up the process while maintaining quality. The stitching is one of the most important steps. If the seams aren't tight enough, the ball could lose air or change shape during play. Tight, flawless stitching keeps the ball round and durable, no matter how hard it's kicked. After stitching, the ball is almost complete, but it still needs something that will hold the air and keep the ball bouncing right. Just keep watching, you are about to see the magic. After stitching the panels together, the next step is adding the heart of the football, the bladder. This is usually made from latex or butyl rubber and is what holds the air inside the ball, giving it the perfect bounce and feel. The bladder is carefully inserted through an opening left during stitching. Workers or machines make sure it fits snugly inside, ready to be inflated. Once in place, the final stitches seal the ball completely, making sure no air can escape. The choice of bladder material is important. Latex bladders offer excellent bounce and softness, making the ball feel more responsive on the field. Butyl bladders, on the other hand, hold air longer and are used in balls that need to stay inflated for longer periods, like those used in official matches. Sealing the ball properly is crucial. A secure seal means the ball will maintain its shape and pressure throughout every game, from the first kick to the final whistle. With the bladder inside and the ball sealed shut, the football is almost ready. But before it's sent out, it needs to be tested to make sure it meets all quality standards. Before a football leaves the factory, it goes through a series of quality control tests to make sure it's ready for the game. The ball's size is measured to ensure it meets the official circumference standards. It's weighed too, to confirm it feels just right in your hands. The roundness of the ball is checked carefully, because an uneven ball won't roll or bounce correctly on the field. To test its bounce, the ball is dropped from a specific height, and its rebound height is measured. This ensures the ball reacts the way it should every time it's kicked or passed. Another important test checks how much water the ball absorbs. A good football should resist soaking up water during wet matches, keeping it light and easy to play with. Only after passing all these tests does the ball receive certification marks, showing it meets the quality and performance standards set by organizations like FIFA. Once approved, the football is ready to be packed and shipped out to players around the world, from backyard games to professional stadiums. After passing all the quality checks, the footballs are inflated to the correct pressure. This ensures they're ready to bounce and fly just right when they reach your hands. The pressure is set carefully to match official standards, so every ball performs the same on the field. Once inflated, the footballs are prepared for packaging. They're placed into boxes or wrapped in protective materials to keep them safe during transport. This packaging helps protect the balls from damage and keeps them in perfect condition. From the factory, the packaged footballs are shipped worldwide. They travel by truck, ship, or plane to reach stores, clubs, and players in every corner of the globe. Whether it's a local park or a massive stadium, these balls bring the game to life everywhere. The process ensures that when you pick up a football, you're holding a product that has been made with care and tested to meet high standards. It's more than just a ball, it's the starting point for countless moments of passion and skill on the field. And that's how a football is made, from raw materials to the perfectly stitched, tested, and ready-to-play ball you see on the field. Every football is the result of skilled craftsmanship and strict quality checks to make sure it performs just right, match after match. Next time you pick up a football, take a moment to appreciate the work and care behind it. It's more than just a ball, it's a symbol of passion, teamwork, and countless unforgettable moments. Before you go, if you love this video, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with people you know. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our next videos. Now, it's your time to engage. Do you really enjoy this video? What is the step in this process that surprised you? Do you have any product or item you would love to see next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep playing and stay curious.